I'm Murphy, and this is Lunch Money. What do you want to know?
What did it start out as?
Started out as buying a Paughco frame beginning of last year. Zero stretch, stock, neck angle, just your plain Jane hardtail frame. And then me and my brother ran up to Kenosha, Wisconsin, and picked up a salvage Sportster motor for $500, and started from there.
What is the engine?
It's a 2002 Sportster 883 motor.
You blacked out some of the accessories on it?
Yeah, took stuff apart, did powder coat. My friend out in Walcott Collision, Justin Ferguson, did the paint.
What kind of pipes are on it?
A lot of lowbrow custom parts, hipster parts, if you will. It's just a set of just cheap shotgun pipes. Air cleaner's the same way. It's just off lowbrow customs. Just a lot of choppery parts.
Yeah. What size are the handlebars?
They are inch diameter. They're 10 inches up. Obviously, they're welded to the risers, so there's no split pullback is what you have.
Yeah. What size wheels are you running? What kind of tires?
Running Shinko tires, 21 up front and 16 in the rear. And they're, I think it's 3.5 inch on the rear. It's 90-90, 21 up front. Everybody always says the thing looks like a 23, but I think it's just because it's so narrow.
Yeah. The oil tank there, does that have any electronics hid in it or anything?
Nope. All electronics, everything are tucked nice and tight underneath the seat. I'm running an Ultima ignition with single fire coil.
I know it's got pretty gnarly pegs on it. What are those off of?
Those are Chinese eBay special. But, I don't know, they kind of go with that BMX feel. You know, a little bit different than everybody else is running stock pegs and everything.
How comfortable is that seat and that seat bracket?
More comfortable on my other bike. But, I mean, gets me around town.
You knew I had to ask. So what's it titled as? What year?
2002.
Right on.
It's actually titled as special construction. Had to have Iowa DOT come out, and that's a whole process.
Yeah.
So if anybody needs to know how to do it, I've done it.
What about that sissybar? I seen some of the fabrication in that.
So that's a Trent Camp special.
Flying tit.
Flying Tit. I'm sure everybody's aware of who Flying Tit is. He's pretty famous. But yeah, we did this first sissybar me and him have ever done in his garage. He's got a legit weld table. Figured it'd be a lot easier to build it off of that. Yeah, just.
What kind of battery is that?
That's a anti-gravity battery. Real small.
Lithium ion. I like it, man.
Seems like everybody does.
Sweet. Thanks for bringing it out.